Imagine you could shop and save at the same time. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with Vivid Money Cashback, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into how this innovative feature works and how you can make the most of it. What is Vivid Money Cashback? Vivid Money Cashback is a feature that rewards you with cash back on your purchases at participating stores. It's like having a personal shopper who gives you a discount on every purchase. How does it work? Link your cards. The first step is to link your eligible credit or debit cards to your Vivid Money account. This allows Vivid to track your spending and identify eligible purchases. Shop at participating stores. Once your cards are linked, you can start shopping at any of the participating stores. Vivid will automatically track your purchases and calculate your cashback. Earn cashback. For every purchase you make at a participating store, you'll earn a percentage of the total amount as cashback. This cashback is typically credited to your Vivid Money account within a few days. Factors affecting cashback rates. The cashback rate you earn can vary depending on several factors. Different stores offer varying cashback rates. Some stores may have higher cashback percentages than others. Purchase amount. In some cases, you may earn a higher cashback rate for larger purchases. Promotions. Vivid Money often runs promotions that can increase your cashback earnings for a limited time. How to maximize your cashback. To make the most of Vivid Money Cashback, consider these tips. Check for participating stores. Before making a purchase, check the Vivid Money app or website to see if the store is participating. Use your Vivid Money card. Whenever possible, use your Vivid Money card to make your purchases to ensure you earn cashback. Take advantage of promotions. Keep an eye out for limited-time promotions that can boost your cashback earnings. Shop at stores with higher cashback rates. Prioritize shopping at stores that offer higher cashback percentages. Cashback redemption. Once your cashback balance reaches a certain threshold, you can redeem it in several ways. Transfer to your bank account. You can transfer your cashback to your linked bank account. Invest. You can invest your cashback in various investment options offered by Vivid Money. Use for purchases. You can use your cashback to make purchases on your Vivid Money card. Vivid Money Cashback is a fantastic way to save money on your everyday purchases. By understanding how it works and following these tips, you can maximize your cashback earnings and enjoy the benefits of this innovative feature. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.